I ask faith leaders to actively challenge inaccurate and harmful messages and to encourage all communities to promote non-violence, reject xenophobia, racism, and all forms of intolerance. I thank religious leaders for supporting my appeal for a global ceasefire so that we can together focus on fighting our shared enemy, COVID-19. Yet we continue to see conflicts rage in many places, along with the rise in ethno-nationalism, stigma and hate speech targeting vulnerable communities and exacerbating suffering. Meanwhile, extremists and radical groups are seeking to exploit eroding trust in leadership and feed on people's vulnerability to serve their own ends. And I appeal to religious leaders to categorically condemn such acts and support shared principles of partnership, equality, respect, and compassion. I ask religious leaders to leverage your networks and communication capacities to support governments in promoting WHO recommended public health measures, from physical distancing to good hygiene, and to ensure that faith-based activities, including worship, religious ceremonies, and burial practices, comply with these measures. At a time when the vast majority of the world's students are out of school or university, I urge faith leaders to support the continuity of education, working with education providers to find solutions so that learning never stops.